Good morning, Diane. My name is Jason Jones, and I'm calling from Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. You inquired about this 2011 Hyundai Sonata. This is a very nice vehicle. It's super clean. It's black with brown interior on the inside. I mean, it is super nice. This car has a USB port, has satellite radio, keyless entry, XM radio. This car is really nice. It is a super nice car. It's not going to be here long. So we hope you get in and come in and check it out. Again, my name is Jason Jones with Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. You can give me a call at area code 251-623-1618. And I just want to thank you for inquiring about this vehicle. And you'll love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. Thanks.